I'll be with the Tingamasili in the end. And you say, I say that if you have epilepsy, please do not click on this video because it contains flashing lights and loud noises and jump scare. Okay, I understand. This way I have to. Okay. So the bad thing is that this is single player, but you can also chat. Like if you have chat, you can chat in the globals. I've seen some videos of this at the end, and it's kind of like that game called. Let's not talk about that because we're gonna give spoilers. Okay. I know what that game that I'm talking about. It's just something. I know what these pillars are. Got you? What? Bro, can you? I don't you got you, bro. Yes. No, you should go directly. You're going to kill all the patients. Oh, wait. Wait, I have to lock in somehow. I know why. Yeah. So I'll be playing some fast-paced games. Oh, wait, I have to be ready. I'm gonna be locked in, okay? Okay. Milo, it's time. I'm gonna be locked in. Dehydration, dry eyes, and bruises. Dehydration. I'm sprinting right now! Oops. Am I that bad? Okay, yeah. Wait, this just happened? I'm sorry, but who are you? I'll see you. To nominate object. Yeah. Oh. Red. Wait. Oh. What? Huh? What? What? Wait, what? Wait. Shimmy, yai. Shimmy, So I'm not. Okay. I will try to lock in this time. Don't ignore me! Oh, you can't say Dr. Harlow. What the? Oh, shit. Am I that bad? I should really focus more. Okay. There's a guy behind me, you know? Chew the wood. What? Hey, I'm trying to focus. Okay. There's a guy going to kill me, by the way. Take note of that. Is it this one? Yeah, it's a fast-paced game. No. I'm gonna be wait! I'm gonna die! Oh, you can do that. Oops. I'm sorry, bro. Wait, I forgot something. So there's a button size the whole time. What does this thing do? I should like make it here. Is this thing gonna rage bait me? The ghost is gonna rage bait me. awesome though. Oh, you can dodge. Oh my. This guy makes it fast. Look at that. Anyways, I just found this. Oh my gosh, this is like no, you should really complete some obby first though. You can't practice unless you complete the obby. I'll show it to you later. You recording though? No? Okay. Oh my gosh! Hold on! I think I know what I'm doing. So this is what we think of it. Oh no, that's the worst way of... Oh, come on. I think I might have known. Let's go to the game. I think I might have known now. What does the thing on my ceiling look like? Something. Oh, it's the end of the obby. I get to see. Yeah. Oh, shit. I need a different scissors. Oh my. Oh my gosh, it's too hard. I know I can so much. So you can do like this. Yeah, this is a pretty hard game. This is go notice. Oh my gosh! Come on, hey! How did you do that? Oh, it's collapsing? That's pretty good. Okay. I'm doing something. I think you're doing it the wrong way. I know, I'm trying to see if I can get up there. I think you're doing it the wrong way. Anyways. Wait. I'm going to just try to do the old tips and tricks even though I'm also a beginner. But if you're dumb and don't know what this is and you can memorize it, it's green and yellow. In case you can't really, dodge that fast. And yeah, something's actually chasing you. So I didn't look here because I took the hard way. And I couldn't have gotten there. That makes sense. I said automatics. Can you go back to O? Yes. Never mind. Super duper ultra mega hard mode. What? And when you're doing this, you should when you're going here, you should really skip this part. We go down. Just go immediately go there, I think. Yeah, I think it's possible. Okay guys, I'm done guys. That's today for now because I don't have much time left and I need to rest. Okay, bye. I said bye. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the ping pong. Yeah. Okay, bye.